Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to get sound from monitor without speakers. So in order to find the answer to this question, I went on reddit.com and here let's just try to find out what other people are actually saying about it and what others' opinion on it. So this person is saying that um, you can use headphones or you can plug in speakers if that's the case, meaning that if your monitor doesn't have the headphone jack, then you can use the headphones or you can even use speakers. So this is simple, that if your monitor doesn't have the headphone jack or the sound system available, then and you don't want to use the speakers, then what you can do is you can simply use your headphones with it. For that you can use the bluetooth headphones or tws, and then you can start using it. And after that you can just scroll down a bit, and this person is saying that you can buy a rca to 3.5 jack converted, then plug the white and red cables into the converter and this one into whatever has a 3.5 jack. It can be a boombox, most pc speakers, jbl, go some headphones, or an hi-fi stereo. So this person is also suggesting something good, so you can even try these as well. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.